Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. And we're on the 1 hour time frame. So today we did have a pretty good little entry to go short on the US dollar yen. I mean, it definitely was three waves up to a Fibonacci level. And the trend is definitely down on the daily. So this definitely does have the potential of continuing down like that. Now, I would be a little bit on the cautious side. Now that it's actually going down, I would remove this Fibonacci and I would likely put my Fibonacci from here to here, at least on the shorter time frames, that is, because there's definitely a chance that this move down is like all part of a bigger correction. So if it does start to become very overlapping, like corrective looking like that, and it makes some sort of a Fibonacci bounce, then definitely get out of your shorts and potentially you could try to go long. Even though I think even if it does go long, I personally would prefer to wait for the sorting opportunity that would come after the long. But like I said at the beginning, the trend is down on the daily, and if it doesn't stop making overlapping patterns, but instead just keeps on pushing, then just continue to hold on to your long because, like I said, if we put that other Fibonacci back on there, that was definitely three waves up and a Fibonacci bounce within a downtrend. Definitely has the potential to continue that downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.